Davao was once known by its struggles, conflict, stories of unrest, doubt, and distance. But its people never give up. Through strength and unity, the city began to rise. From streets once marked by fear, it has grown into a city of discipline, safety, and opportunity. Today, Davao breathes with confidence, peaceful streets, thriving communities, and a future full of promise. It stands as one of the country's most disciplined and progressive cities, safe, vibrant, and forward-moving. From trials to triumph, Davao's journey is a story of courage and has become what it chose to be. Davao, life is here. Hello, Ma'am. Ikaw ba tong gusto mo try sa Davao City White River water rafting? Sige po, welcome ka diri.
With a smile, suri surita, suroi surita, suri surita, suroi surita, suri surita, suroi surita, suri surita, suroi surita.
Saving my life.
Ayaw ka pala ka, ma'am. Kay diri sa siyudad sa Davao, ang inyong safety ang #1 priority.
Wow! So ako at ay invite ako mga friends na mag-visit sa Davao. Tara!
Davao, siyudad na paraiso mula San Pedro hanggang kay Apo. Siguradong happy ang puso mo. Mabuhay madayaw, buang sa Davao, lingaw, mas makulay, hugaw, para sa Davao, kuyaw. Let's go, visit Davao, Duaw, Davao, Duaw, Davao, Duaw, Davao.
Wow! Kabongga pa sa Davao.
Yes, ma'am. Kay usa si Davao sa safest cities in the world.
Busa, ali na mo sa Davao. Kay basi, nain yung true love diri.
Dito sa aming bayan, iba't ibang kultura ang aming kayamanan. Mula kay Apo, waling at durian umaapaw sa sagana. Gaya ng agla, ipadami isa, selebrasyon ng sagana at kultura sa syudad na atong gihigugma. Kadayawan, kadayawan, kiay, ilabyo, kadayawan, kadayawan, kiay, ilabyo, kadayawan,
Kadayawan,
kita'y usa! Kadayawan, kadayawan, ikiay, ilabyo, kadayawan, kadayawan, ikiay, ilabyo, kadayawan,
Kadayawan,
kita'y usa!